Hey everybody, welcome to JJ's Lego Building Group. As you can see, I've already built a Hercules figure from Hercules and his big strong arms, and in the back we have his hands. They're like there are the 15 through 15 pieces. And then I had enough pieces to make Hercules. Oh. They have charger plugins. As you can see, I had enough pieces to make Hercules' sword and his sword club. The big piece is the 100 piece through 20.
God, I need to hit this.
And as you can see, his club
I need the Lucky for Life jackpot
is the square piece right here. And I made the final piece. That's his club. And then what I'm about to do with the Hercules bot figure is put on his club. And this is what the Hercules bot looks like when he was about to go into battle. And as you can see, I have plenty more Legos, but I haven't brung them yet. I haven't found them. As you can see, this video is now ended. Make sure to subscribe and like.